Hello people who want to earn money from Binance App. So today we're going to demystify the mechanism of the Binance App and give you a comprehensive understanding of its features, so let's dive in. The Binance App is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchange platforms. It offers a user-friendly interface and a wide array of features for both beginners and seasoned traders. To get started, let's talk about how to set up your Binance account. First, you need to download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account by providing some basic information and completing the verification process. One of the key features is the ability to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. You can choose from a wide range of digital assets and execute trades with just a few taps. The app has four main features: spot trading, futures trading, margin trading, and savings. Spot trading is the simplest form of trading, where users can buy and sell cryptocurrencies at the current market price. Futures trading is a more advanced form of trading where users can speculate on the future price movements of cryptocurrencies and use leverage to amplify their profits or losses. The Binance app also provides real-time market data including price charts, order. Additionally, the Binance app offers advanced trading options such as stop limit orders, margin trading, and futures trading. These features allow you to maximize your potential profits and manage risk more effectively. Security is a top priority for Binance, and the app incorporates robust security measures to protect your funds. It includes features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage for storing a majority of the funds offline. Moreover, Binance provides an easy-to-use wallet for storing your cryptocurrencies securely. You can also transfer your funds between the Binance app and other wallets seamlessly. Lastly, the Binance app offers educational resources such as articles, videos, and webinars to help users enhance their trading skills and stay updated with the latest trends in the cryptocurrency market. And that's a wrap. We hope this video has helped demystify the mechanism of the Binance app for you. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting crypto content. Happy trading!